Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss the artificial intelligence important multiple choice questions and answers. The first question says, which of the following best define artificial intelligence? A. Study of hardware device. B. Making a machine mimic human intelligence. C. Creating faster processor. D. Building large database. Artificial intelligence is about make machine mimic or learn human intelligences. 2. Which technique is used for problem solving in artificial intelligence? A. Heuristic, formatting, data compression, sorting. Heuristic is the correct answer. 3. Who is known as the father of AI? The person who introduced AI is John Cartier. Question number 4. Which algorithm is used for decision making in games? This is Minimax, the algorithm that's used for decision making in game. Which of the following is not type of machine learning? Supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement, memorized learning. Memorized learning, which is not a type of machine learning. In supervised learning, data must contain no labels, only numerical value, labels or target value, only images. The supervised learning, the data must contain labels or target value that are grouped. Question number 7. Which artificial intelligence concept involves agent interacting with environment to learn? Clustering, reinforcement learning, regression, segmentation. The concept which involves agent interacting with environment to learn is reinforcement learning. Deep learning is mainly based on rule-based system, neural network, fuzzy logic, graph theory. Deep learning is mainly based on the neural network, the neurons. Which of the following is an application of NLP? A. Image segmentation. B. Speech recognition, clustering, label balancing. NLP that have the application to speech recognition. What is the goal of artificial intelligence? Solve artificial problem, to extract scientific cause, to explain various sort of intelligence, to solve real world problems. The goal of artificial intelligence is to explain various kind of intelligences. Which of the following is an application of artificial intelligence? A. It helps to exploit vulnerability to secure the firm. Language understanding and problem solving, text analytics, and NLP. Easy to create website. It helps to deploy application on the cloud. The application of artificial intelligence is B. Language understanding and problem solving, the text analysis and natural language processing. 12. Which of the following is a component of artificial intelligence? Learning, training, designing, puzzling. The component of artificial intelligence is learning or mimicking of intelligences. Which of the following is not type of artificial intelligence? Agent, learning AI agent, goal-based AI agent, simple reflex AI agent, D. Unit-based AI agent. D. Unit-based AI agent. 1.4. Which is the function of an artificial intelligence agent? Mapping of goal sequence to an action, working without the direct interference of the people, mapping of person sequence to an action, mapping of environment sequence to an action. Working without the direct interference of the people is the function of artificial intelligence agent. Which of the following machine requires input from the humans but can interpret the output themselves? Actuators, sensor, agents, AI system. The machine which requires input from the humans but can interpret the output themselves is AI system. Which of the following use hypotheses that are easy to read for humans? Machine learning, inductive learning, logic programming, first order logic, propositional logic. Inductive logic programming is the correct answer. 17. Which of the following is the branch of artificial intelligence? Machine learning, cyber forensics, full stack developer, network design. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. What does NLP stand for in AI? Natural language processing, neural learning processing, nonlinear programming, network logic protocol. NLP stands for natural language processing. Which of the following an advantage of AI in healthcare? Cost reduction, increased human interaction, error-prone diagnosis, none of the above. The advantage of AI in healthcare is it is error-prone diagnosis, but cost reduction it is not. It is a problem. There is high cost is one of the problem of artificial intelligence, and also decrease human interaction. So error-prone diagnosis is the correct answer. The last question: what is one limitation of current AI system? The ability to think creatively, high computational cost, recognizing patterns, fast data processing. The limitation of current AI system is the ability to think creatively. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and write in the comment section how when you got out of 20. Bye bye.